Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Before attempting to start a Chrysler Pacifica, perform basic safety checks. Confirm the transmission is in park and the parking brake is set, and make sure the smart key or physical key is inside the vehicle. Visually inspect the dash for warning lights and confirm adequate fuel level and battery voltage for reliable cranking. Adjust seat, mirrors, and steering column as needed, and secure passengers and cargo. If towing, verify neutral safety overrides and chock wheels to prevent rolling during startup. To start a Pacifica with push-button ignition, press and hold the brake pedal firmly, then press the engine start/stop button once. Release the button when the engine runs. If the vehicle uses a physical key option, insert the key and turn to the start position while maintaining steady brake pressure until the engine fires. Always verify the instrument cluster indicates park before releasing the button or key and listen for atypical noises. If the engine fails to start, avoid extended cranking to protect the starter motor. To use remote start on compatible Pacifica models, press lock on the key fob, then press and hold the remote start button twice. The engine will run for the program duration, typically 10 to 15 minutes. If the engine does not crank, test the 12V battery voltage, inspect starter and starter relay fuses, and confirm the neutral safety switch and key detection are working. For modern models, use the Uconnect app to initiate remote start, review alerts, and receive diagnostic trouble codes that indicate maintenance needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.